So you ready for this estate sale?
Yes, I love me a good estate sale.
Yeah. Let's see if we can find some goodies here.
See, told you. And if you want me to trade, I'll give it to you. All right. Get out of the table. Right this way, darling. Right this way, darling. She used to be something just like you. Maybe you can take her spot.
Help me, please!
Good job, you strong. Take a squeeze.